handwork is really dependent on really accurate layout. What we've done is we've effectively just cut a dovetail. I mean, you learn how to cut rabbets and dados and grooves, maybe throw a dovetail and miter in there. Everything else is just combinations of that. At least that's my approach to woodworking and to problem solving. If you hear that sound, it's not really cutting, it's just creating a series of indents. If anything, think about unweighting the saw and practice just skimming the saw above the surface. For most of us, this notion of combining machine and handwork, it's a natural thing. If we assign equal importance to every single task in a project, it may leave us lacking the bandwidth and energy to really pay attention to what is important. This has to do with this notion of equal versus exact. The fact that they're equal in width is far more important than whether they match any dimension exactly. I think there's an intrinsic humanity to craft in that what we're making are useful objects, and that the things we made will be used by others. That drives everything I make.